Binance and Bybit are both prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, but they cater to different types of users and have distinct features. Here's a comparison of the two. Binance, overview, founded, 2017, headquarters, initially China, later moved to multiple locations including Malta and Cayman Islands. User base, over 100 million, key features, wide range of cryptocurrencies, supports over 500 different cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most diverse exchanges. Multiple services, include spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, staking, savings, and more. Fiat support, supports a wide range of fiat currencies and offers various payment methods including bank transfers and credit cards. Binance Smart Chain, BSC supports DeFi projects and offers lower transaction fees compared to Ethereum. Security, strong focus on security with SAFU, Secure Asset Fund for users, to protect user funds in extreme cases. Regulations, faces regulatory scrutiny in various countries, leading to operational restrictions in some regions. Pros, extensive range of supported assets and services, high liquidity, competitive fees, advanced trading features and tools. Cons, complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, regulatory issues in several jurisdictions. Bybit, overview, founded, 2018, headquarters, Singapore, user base, primarily targeted towards professional and experienced traders. Key features, derivatives trading, specializes in futures and perpetual contracts with leverage up to 100x, user interface, intuitive and user-friendly platform with a focus on smooth trading experiences. Risk management tools, offers advanced risk management features like stop-loss and take-profit orders. Bybit Earn, provides opportunities for users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. Security, emphasizes strong security protocols and cold storage for funds. Pros, excellent for derivatives trading, high leverage options, user-friendly interface, strong customer support. Cons, limited to a smaller number of cryptocurrencies compared to Binance, focus on derivatives might not suit all traders, fewer fiat on-ramp options. Conclusion, choosing between Binance and Bybit, for beginners and general trading, Binance is more suitable due to its wide range of services, extensive support for various cryptocurrencies, and multiple fiat on-ramps. 4. Experienced traders and derivatives. Bybit is better suited for experienced traders who are interested in leverage trading and derivatives. Go to Binance or Bitbit today. The links are in the video description if you want to receive welcome bonuses in both platforms. Ultimately, the choice between Binance and Bybit will depend on your specific needs, trading experience, and the types of trading you intend to engage in.